Hi folks, Matt here, and welcome to the next chapter in AI, the end of humanity as we know it. And as you know, I've stopped numbering the chapters because I don't know where sequentially this will happen, but I do know that this is an eventuality of AI-based robots, especially by the year, let's say 2100, when we're at our fifth or sixth iteration of them. But this has more to do with this chapter is called Mutual Relationships. Right now, humans need AI robots to do certain jobs, and it's going to flip in the future to where AI robots need humans to work on their behalf. For example, AI, they survive on electricity, or otherwise, power, but mainly electricity. Whatever gets electricity into their batteries to make them go, that's their food. That's their survival. So, excuse the sound in the background. So, what happens when they need a larger or another plant built? The carpenters, constructions, plumbers, electricians will be needed by AI to build these plants. And what do humans do? They protect their paychecks and their livelihood. So as long as they do this and get paid the currency that allows them to operate in society and maintain their livelihood and raise their family, then they will do it. Who cares where their paycheck comes from? I mean, that's the way it's happening in society. So right now, we went from cloning a sheep 25 years ago to an industry now that clones animals. We are literally doing it at an industrial level. People are getting paid, or they're getting paid $50,000 to clone their dog that they miss. They want one just like it. Horses that are going extinct, or their breed is dying slowly, they are being cloned. Right now, 25% of cloned animals develop abnormalities within the first year, I believe, but they're getting better at it. So humans, along with AI, will figure out how to clone humans, and there are two options. Okay? They will figure out how to create human clones without a human host uterus. Right now, a human clone can be made by, putting the cloned cell or egg inside a woman's uterus, and she is the host for the whole 9 months, and then she has the cloned human being. So I think we're going to figure out how to make a true test tube baby for the entire months outside of a human body by growing it in a dark, fluid-filled, nutrient-based, flexible tank, okay? And all the nutrients that the test tube baby needs will be supplied to it. It will grow. We'll be able to see it through, X-ray and other imagery. And then the baby will come out like a C-section, okay? The other option is to produce enough female human clones in captivity. Let's say 16 of them. I don't want to say a prison, but in a type of captive environment that is like the environment Jim Carrey was in that movie with Ed Harris, a walled city, a small town. They did an experiment. So have a walled city like that with 16 adult human female clones, and their purpose is to host more human clones. So they would add 16 every year, 9 months for the gestation period, 3 months for, some time off, I guess. I know it sounds barbaric, but somebody's thinking about this somewhere besides me. Okay? So every year they have 16 more. So I know it sounds weird, but that is how specialized humans will be created for the sole purpose of assisting AI, and they are beholden to their AI robot host. Now, let's say you have enough of these walled cities throughout planet Earth. They would double every year. Okay? So that means after 10 years, there'd be 16,000, I think 800 of them. Somebody better at math than me can figure it out. But you can see how cloned human beings really begin to propagate into our citizenry, along with AI-based robots, real humans, and monkeys that can speak to humans because we derive through AI the primate language. So that's something to think about. And eventually, instead of mutual relationships, it'll be a symbiotic relationship because now humans will be working for AIs more than AIs are working for humans. I mean, by 1985 in the US alone, 85 million jobs will be replaced by AI. So how much worldwide jobs will be replaced by AI? Let's say 300 million outside the United States. And there's going to be a Moore's type of law to where every 2 years or every 1 year, it's going to double. Before you know it, we'll have worldwide 1 billion jobs replaced by artificial intelligence-based robots. And cloning humans will be automated one of these times. I think the most complicated thing is, the magnified picture you see of an egg and the needle going into it, then sucking out the nucleus and then inserting another nucleus, the clone. That will be automated, and robots, AI-based robots, or an AI-based assembly line will be doing this. So stand by for the automated and mass cloning of humans for the purpose of supplementing AI-based robots and our society in general. Thanks, and stand by for the next chapter. Bye.